Hi friends, today I'm just gonna go over Kahoot and how I'm going to use it for my lesson. Kahoot's a great website. It's used by a lot of teachers to go over mostly math, but sometimes social studies, English, anything that can be used in a game setting. Students tend to learn better when they get to have fun, and Kahoot's a great resource for that. So when the students are going to play, they will click play right up at the top, and they're going to enter the game pin created for our specific lesson. You can also use Kahoot and explore different content areas. You can search by history lessons, and you can see every little thing that someone has made for that specific section. You can also do it by grade level as well, so you can really stay within your subject area and grade. Kahoot's great. I personally like to end lessons with Kahoot, or after a long week. The students really enjoy being able to see on the board who's doing well and who's going to win overall. They get to create their own screen names and have fun while playing. It does use a little bit of memorization, but you can also change the times within the game for each question to make it a little easier for students. You can also do different types of games where they could be true or false, or they can be multiple choice. Students tend to really enjoy multiple choice just because there's more options for them to choose from in the end. But Kahoot's a great resource. I love to use it and will continue to use it in my classroom.